In today's video, I'm going to show you some of the settings that you must do when you are using WhatsApp. So these are some of the issues that people are facing. You'll be there, someone will call you that I sent you, we are updating our WhatsApp page, and there has been a code sent to you. Please, they are all scams. You can see these people, they will send you some of the codes that, oh, we are updating our system, our WhatsApp page, our Zoom network, and a whole lot. Some even end up telling you you are in an alpha hour group and we are updating our page, so we want to add you to a new page. So they will quickly send you a, they will try logging into your WhatsApp, they will enter your telephone number. So once the code comes, and you know one thing about us too, we don't read the message. Once the message comes, we just enter the code to them, then they will just enter into your phone and they'll start sending messages to unknown users, demanding money, and a whole lot of scams. So please, this is some of the things that you must do to make your WhatsApp secured. So let's get into the tutorial. So please, in the first one is two-step verification. So this 2025 era and you have not activated your two-step verification, hey, then you must do that as soon as possible. Two-step verification is very important. You just head onto your phone. So once you open your WhatsApp, you just pick your phone, whether Android or iPhone, you just go to settings, then you go to account. So when you go to account, then two-step verification. So with the two-step verification, if you have not activated it, you have to activate it as soon as possible. You use your email address to link it. So whenever you don't have your SIM card with you and you want to even sign in to WhatsApp, you can even use your email address. So this is one of the most important things that you must do: two-step verification using WhatsApp. You have to make sure that you have activated your two-step verification. You see, I've always been helping people to restore their WhatsApp whenever they are being hacked. I have a lot of people, friends from the nearby countries. They usually call me on WhatsApp for me to help them to restore their WhatsApp. So please, turn on your two-step verification. So if your two-step verification is turned on and I want to access into your WhatsApp, even if I send you the code, I will not be able to sign in because the two-step verification is turned on. So once I reach to that point, I will not be able to sign in. So please, this is some of the security tips that you must know using WhatsApp. Make sure that you turn it on. Don't be a victim before you turn your two-step verification on using WhatsApp. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this video has helped you a lot to gain a little knowledge. Until I come your way, we are reaching up tech world in 2025. So kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Everything about tech world, I'm going to give it to you. Thank you very much.